Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Let's do it. Always exciting to see what's new in the machining world.
Well, today we're taking a close look at a system that's got everybody talking. Iscar's Quick T-Lock.
Yeah, this is a pretty neat system for turning inserts.
From what I hear, it's all about boosting productivity. And they're really pushing the boundaries with this multi-directional technology.
And the rumors are true. This could be a real game changer when it comes to machining efficiency.
So let's unpack this a bit. What makes this Quick T-Lock so different from what we're used to?
Well, think about all the different operations you do when turning. Front turning, back turning, profiling, and then you got face turning.
Right. Usually you need different tool for each, right?
Exactly. But with the Quick T-Lock, you can do all of those with just one single insert.
Well, wait, hold on. One insert? You're kidding, right?
Nope, I'm serious. That's the beauty of this system. It's designed to streamline your workflow.
So less time spent swapping tools, more time actually machining. I like where this is going. But how does that even work? How do they pack all that functionality into one insert?
It's some pretty clever engineering. The Quick T-Lock has 3 positive cutting edges. Imagine a stool with 1 leg versus one with 3 legs.
Okay, yeah, the 3-legged one is definitely going to be more stable.
Exactly. More stability means less vibration, which is huge when you're talking about precision machining. So it reduces wear on the insert too.
Right, which means the insert lasts longer.
You got it. And they've also got this safety pocket design. It makes sure everything stays securely locked in place, even when you're running at higher feed rates.
That's key, because if you're not pushing the limits, are you even machining? Right.
But I gotta admit, all this sounds almost too good to be true. I'm picturing shops ditching entire tool libraries and just stocking up on these Quick T-Lock inserts.
Well, it's certainly a big step towards simplifying tooling setup.
And think about the organizational benefits. No more digging through drawers full of inserts trying to find the right one. It's all about making life easier and more efficient in the shop.
So what else makes this system tick? I remember reading something about advanced, efficient, and dedicated chip formers.
Ah, yes. We can't forget about those.
What's the story there? It sounds fancy, but is it just a marketing term, or is there something genuinely different about these chip formers?
They're a cut above your average chip breaker. These are specifically engineered to optimize chip control, especially when you're doing high feedback working.
High feedback working, that's a mouthful. What exactly does that mean?
Basically, it's a machining process that uses high feed rates and shallow depths of cut.
Ah, okay. So how do these chip formers play into that?
Well, they minimize chip buildup and reduce the heat generated during cutting.
So a cleaner cut and less wear and tear in the tool.
Exactly. Plus, it leads to a smoother surface finish, which often means less time spent on post-processing.
I'm starting to see why people are so excited about this.
It's definitely got a lot to offer, but I'm curious, what are your initial thoughts on this system?
Well, my biggest question is about cost. These inserts have to be more expensive than traditional ones, right?
It's true the initial investment might be a bit higher.
I knew it. There's always a catch.
But hold on, before you write it off, think about the long term. Increased tool life means you're replacing them less often.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Plus, you're saving time on setup and potentially even reducing the number of passes you need to get the desired finish. When you add it all up, the long-term cost savings could be substantial.
All right, so you're saying it's about playing the long game. I like it. But what about material compatibility? Every shop works with a different mix of metals. Can this Quick T-Lock handle it all?
Absolutely. That's another big plus for the Quick T-Lock. You've got inserts in different grades, so you can use it for both ISO-P and ISO-M materials.
So just to clarify, ISO-P would be for your steels, right?
You got it.
And ISO-M is for your stainless steels.
Precisely. So whether you're machining steel or stainless steel, there's a Quick T-Lock insert that can handle it.
So to recap for anyone just joining us, we're digging into Iscar's new Quick T-Lock system.
Which, to sum it up, is pretty awesome.
Right. It's this incredibly versatile tooling system that can handle a whole bunch of different turning operations using just one insert.
And it all comes down to some really innovative design features. Those 3 cutting edges, the safety pocket, the advanced chip formers, they all work together to give you a smoother, more efficient machining experience.
And potentially even save you some money in the long run.
Exactly. But it makes you think, doesn't it? Is this a sign of things to come? Could this kind of multi-directional tooling become the industry standard?
Yeah. And could we start to see similar innovations in other areas of manufacturing? I mean, the possibilities are pretty exciting.
Absolutely. It's a fascinating time to be involved in this field.
For sure. And for our listeners who are just as intrigued by this quick T-lock system as we are, you can find all the details over on Iscar's website. Definitely worth checking out.
You won't regret it.
All right, that's going to do it for this deep dive. Thanks for listening.